In front of me is Nubia Focus Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. You need to begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon at the top left corner. Then select Themes over here. Apply one of those by tapping on a perfect one, or hit this icon overshadowed with a plus located under Downloaded Themes. Then you need to download a perfect one for you. I will go with this one. Tap on Download and hit Apply. Sometimes you need to tap on Apply one more time for it to actually be applied. If you want to find this theme, go back to the same options and click on this icon at the top right corner. Then check if your theme is here and go back. As you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. To customize it though, go back to the same options by clicking on the top left corner and selecting Themes, and this time use this icon of a gallery under Customized Themes. Tap on Allow, click on any photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale or drag it to move, and even rotate it. When you've finished, hit Next. And over here, adjust all of those options however you want to. Keys, font, swiping color, and other swiping options, effect, and even sound. When you're done, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, when I go back this time, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!